Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog again. नहीं, it's actually welcome to my channel. I'm still learning, so please bear with me. थोड़े बहुत वीडियोस के बाद मैं एकदम प्रो की तरह बात करूँगी ऐसे 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 ऐसे. बट ऑलरेडी आपको मेरे फेस पे एक्साइटमेंट दिख रही है, वो इसलिए क्योंकि आई एम ट्रैवलिंग टू दुबई एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड क्योंकि 6 महीने बाद मैं कहीं पे ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ अब्रॉड. या आई गेस इट्स जस्ट दैट खुशी इस बात की है कि काम शुरू हो रहा है. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट वर्क असाइनमेंट आफ्टर 6 months एंड सुपर एक्साइटेड एंड देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ यू. तो सबसे पहले तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये आउटडोर ट्रैवल करने के लिए आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिसका ख्याल रखना पड़ता है. According to the new normal, there are a lot of things you have to get your COVID test done 72 hours prior, जो मैंने कर लिया है and luckily I am negative. तो ये precautionary measures which is mask and sanitizer you have to be carrying with you all the time. ये instructions airline से नहीं है but then हम मास्क पहनते हैं. मार्केट जाने के लिए भी तो फ्लाइट में तो पहनना, एयरपोर्ट पे तो पहनना ज़रूरी है. Yeah, it is scary but excited also. Excited for the travel, scared because of the amazing COVID-19 मामा जो हमारी लाइफ में आके बैठा हुआ है, जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है. All set, all ready and I will see you guys. In fact मैंने थोड़ा बहुत मेरे पैकिंग जो हम बैग पैक करते हैं ट्रैवलिंग के लिए उसका भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत शूट किया हुआ है. सो येस, आई एम गोना पुट इट इन माई व्लॉग समवेयर, ऑफ कोर्स बिफोर द ट्रैवलिंग एंड आफ्टर दिस बक दैट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. सो या, I'll see you at the airport and then I think this is the next few vlogs are actually going to be the Dubai series क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें शूट करनी है. I have to go and meet my friends there, I have to go and meet my Rakhi brother. रक्षाबंधन पे मैं उनको मिल नहीं पाई, वो भी ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाए, so I'm going to make you meet them also. And what else? You might see this vlog when I'm in Dubai, although I'm shooting it in Mumbai. पर मैं जब दुबई में होंगी तभी आप शायद ये ब्लॉग देख रहे होंगे. सो एनीवे, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस एंटायर दुबई सीरीज एंड सी यू सून. नाउ बाय. हाय एवरीवन. सो जैसे मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ कि मैं दुबई ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ एंड येस, आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. फाइनली आई एम पैकिंग बैग्स फॉर work and not just to go out. That's Trisha. Hi. Who is styling me for this event and also helps me pack my bag whenever I go for work. And as you can see the mess already on my bed. The fittings are done. Now we are gonna pack the bag. And hi Blessy, what's up? So yeah, packing. Bye. From mask to gloves and we are ready to leave now. Let's go. हमारे सारे जो मीडिया हाउसेस पे जाते हैं वो यही लोग हैं. थैंक यू, बाय बाय. आई एम गोइंग टू दुबई. आर यू फॉलोइंग मी?
I am
I
coming
like
in your
your
lobby.
mask, it is so cute.
You want? Take it.
तुषार, धवल,
What's up?
हम सब एक
Come,
दूसरे
come
को
here,
शूट
come
कर
here.
रहे हैं, टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. चलो. So here we are inside the airport trying to adjust to the new normal, and I must say कि process बहुत lengthy हो गया है अभी. जैसे हम इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स के लिए भी पहले खाली 1-1.5 घंटे पहले आते थे. Now you have to come at least 2.5-3 hours in advance because हर चीज़ की चेकिंग होती है, which is a good thing. And there's another thing that happened. धवल apparently उसने COVID-19 का टेस्ट तो करवाया, but it is not approved. Apparently you have to get your test done from some verified labs in order to enter the airport. Forget getting into the airplane. एयरपोर्ट के अंदर आने के पहले ही उसको बाहर रोक लिया है. Now fingers crossed, देखते हैं क्या होता है क्या नहीं. Me and Tushar have made it inside, and if you can see, he is there. ये रहा Tushar. He is doing all the formalities for checking in the baggage and everything. I'll see you in the flight now. Guys, I have to tell you this thing. When I was just entering the security, I left everything for the screening, and then I was like, हाँ, I've literally मैं definitely भूल गई हूँ travel कैसे करते हैं, because I forgot that you need your boarding card for the security, and now I remember that we have to use our passport and the boarding card for the immigration. And I know that I said कि I will meet you guys in the flight. तो flight को भी time है, and we are entering duty free right after the immigration. But I'm not shopping because I'm keeping that thing for Dubai. Anyway, you used to work here. Come on, help me get some discount.
This is the boss here. You should take discount from Vijay.
दिल से कि हम लोग 6 महीने के बाद काम पे आए, उसके अंदर भी डिस्काउंट मांग रहे.
देना चाहिए ना.
अरे पर हम सबकी हालत सेम है ना, ऐसा थोड़ी. हम भी तो नहीं काम कर रहे थे. I'm hungry actually. Is there anything to eat in the lounge? Is there anything?
Do you want to go to Starbucks?
Yeah, that's the only place to eat something, no? Empty food court. And I'm hungry. भूख लग रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. What if like my camera goes flying? If I hit the pillow.
Yeah. You might just do that.
It's an action camera, so it will handle the damage. Yeah.
So what are you up to, Daisy?
I am very hungry and I am on keto, which the problem is that, and I'm going to Dubai for the next 3 days, and I can't eat the amazing Dubai food.
No, I don't think so. You will get your sort of food.
I can't eat
Don't
hummus.
worry. Because we have, yeah, that is your.
I can't eat that. I can't eat pita bread.
And this is what she's got.
Giving
this
wrong
is-
information to my subscribers.
Yeah, but this is the life of a traveler who is desperately looking out for a food, and this is how we survive. And there is no food
Now,
at the
because you saw
airport.
now, the food court is completely empty.
Yeah, and ये बंद हो गया. क्यों?
It's on.
Okay,
It's
but I
on.
can't see.
You can tap the screen, no?
Huh, now I can. Sorry, I'm not a very gadget-friendly sort of stuff, so
All you
just
need to do
excuse
is
me.
tap, baby. Just tap.
Yeah, I think I'm very good at that. Look at these girls. So do we get some special coffee or anything, ma'am?
So now you have more free drinks in
Really?
your card. Yeah.
Look at the excitement of getting a free drinks at Starbucks, and this is how we jump and roll.
No, that's because one is my birthday drink, which I was supposed to.
Drink तो नहीं है उसमें. But there are 3 free beverages more.
Okay, so 3 more free beverages she gets, and Starbucks, you watch out for this
I
one
can do
because
all this.
imagine the kind of
all
fans.
the stupidity because the airport is completely empty.
Yes, and let me show you all how empty it is, except our crew. Okay, chalo, I think it's getting too much now. So imagine we were just sitting here and discussing, and we just discovered. What's your name?
Vishal Nishan.
Vishal.
तुषार वी लिव इन
So विशाल जो है यहाँ स्टारबक्स पे काम करते हैं और इनके ATM कार्ड हैं.
उन पे मेरा फोटो है.
हाँ, उनका फोटो है.
दिस इज सो स्वीट.
So imagine ये डेजी के फैन है basically.
ये एयरपोर्ट पे खींचा था ना.
Yes, yes. Arrival.
So sweet यार. This is so cute.
Thank you Vishal. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. We are on एयरपोर्ट दर्शन क्योंकि हमारी फ़्लाइट डिले हो चुकी है. तो हम ये हमारे जो ये अच्छे वाले जो हमारी बग्गी को ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. आपका नाम क्या है?
Dhiraj.
धीरज हमको एयरपोर्ट दर्शन दे रहे. डोंट मिस दिस. चीता ले रही नीचे हो रही. ले लो नज़ारा ले लो. That's it. खत्म.
Tell me, how do you feel after waiting for not 2 hours, actually for 4 hours?
यहाँ पे क्या करना है? अच्छा शील्ड लेना.
हाँ. And see, look at how particular these guys are. Thank you.
पहनते कैसे? अच्छा ओके.
So,
Okay,
are you ready for this?
I'm experiencing this for the first time. My face shield. And then
I'm going to wear it once I'm going to sit in the flight because
Very
this is very like.
it's very uncomfortable. Like superbly uncomfortable. And is it compulsory to wear it in the
Yes,
flight?
yes.
No.
It's up to you, but people do wear it because of their safety, because of the next passenger. You don't have to because you're into business class, huh? So you have enough space next to each other.
You wear it.
Wait, no, it's nice.
You wear it.
I'll wear this.
Will fall.
This is how I'm going to wear it. Without chashma.
So there's, I think, a new policy where you can't make videos in Emirates flight, or I don't know, something. So I had to delete a few videos of mine from my GoPro, and then I don't know. I think they have a problem with a professional camera, but with mobiles, I don't think they have any problem. But again, should respect their guidelines.